Arrow quilt patterns are pointing the way to creative and eye-catching designs in the quilting world. These dynamic patterns offer quilters a chance to add movement and direction to their projects, resulting in striking and modern quilts. Let's explore some of the best free arrow quilt patterns available. First up is the Arrows Aweigh quilt, perfect for those seeking a masculine design. This navy and gray chevron pattern is ideal for confident beginners and results in a 36-inch square quilt. For a more colorful option, consider the Arrowtail quilt. This scrap-friendly pattern allows you to use your favorite fabric combinations and comes in both baby and twin sizes. It's a great way to use up your stash while creating a beautiful, personalized quilt. If you're short on time, the Arrow Baby quilt might be just what you need. This intermediate level pattern can be completed in about a week and makes for a perfect all-seasons baby gift. The finished quilt measures 36 by 51 inches. For those who love a space theme, the Lost in Space quilt pattern features arrows pointing in various directions, complemented by cosmic illustrations. At 60 by 70 inches, it's an ideal size for a child's room or any space enthusiast. For quilters who enjoy showcasing their quilting skills, the Feathered Arrows pattern combines modern chevrons with ample negative space. This design works well for both crib and lap quilts, measuring 46 by 60 inches. Lastly, the Checkered Arrow quilt pattern offers a straightforward guide with helpful photos for creating a 56 by 72 inch quilt. It's suitable for quilters of all levels and provides a great canvas for experimenting with different techniques. These free arrow quilt patterns offer a range of options for quilters to explore. Whether you're new to quilting or an experienced craftsperson, there's an arrow pattern that can help you create a unique and striking quilt. So grab your fabric, fire up your sewing machine, and let these arrow patterns guide you to your next quilting adventure. For even more inspiration, be sure to visit ilovequiltingforever.com for a curated collection of arrow quilt patterns that will keep your creativity flowing.